it's Dr. Chan here. Today I'm going to tell you the story of how I ended up with a testicle jacuzzi. As you know, buying gifts for guys can sometimes be really hard. What do you do for the man who already has everything? I thought about this dilemma as Father's Day is coming up. I mean, who really needs another toilet-shaped mug or a beer belly or a hair visor? So imagine my surprise when I found out that there was this product, a testicle jacuzzi. This company sent me one to review, and that's what I'm going to share with you today, just what my thoughts on it are. As you can see, it's pretty simple design. The water goes in here. There's a little on button. And then some of the bubbles come in from the bottom. And then you stick your penis here. So this seems like a great gag gift, but I thought, what if I could actually use this in my urology practice? So I went to the internet, went to one of these Facebook urology groups that I'm part of, and I crowdsourced it. I asked some of my fellow urologists, how would you use this in your practice? And these were some of the responses that I got. Number one, it is great for testicle pain. For men who have testicle or scrotum pain, one of the recommendations we make as urologists is to soak your testicles or scrotum in hot water. This can often help with inflammation and just kind of loosening up some of the muscles down there to make them feel better. But the question is, other than a bath, what can you actually soak them in? I found this product on Amazon that you put on top of the toilet and you sit on your toilet seat and you dunk your testicles in it, but it just kind of looks awkward. Number two, the other comment I had was, this is not good for fertility. As you may know, anytime you heat up your scrotum or your testicles, it can potentially impair the quality of your sperm. So that's why sitting in a hot tub for your jacuzzi is not a good idea, especially if you're already having trouble having kids. And then finally, number three, this would be great to use before vasectomies. And let me tell you why. Here's one of the vases on the right side. Normally what happens when the testicles get cold is that the muscle that supports them will shrivel up, bring them closer to the body to warm them up. Check out this clip from Seinfeld, and you'll understand why.
Oh my God. I'm sorry, I thought this was the baby's room. I'm really sorry.
I was in the pool! I was in the pool!
So what does it feel like?
So good! Oh, it tickles. It feels like hundreds of little fairy hands massaging my plums all at the same time.